Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel WA Reviews. Today, we're unboxing and reviewing the LFS Soundstorm Bluetooth Speaker, a 100-watt portable powerhouse with deep bass, LED party lights, waterproof design, and a massive 30-hour battery. Let's find out if it really lives up to the hype. Alright, let's start with the unboxing. The packaging is clean and bold. Right away, it screams power and portability. Inside the box, we get the LFS Soundstorm Speaker, a power adapter for charging, a 3.5mm aux cable, a 2 cover for speakers, and a user manual. The packaging is neat and professional, and the speaker itself, it's got some serious presence. Right away it feels solid but still portable. The big handle make it easy to carry, definitely built for outdoor fun. The LFS Soundstorm features a tough matte finish with a rugged grille that screams durability. It's IPX6 waterproof, so rain, splashes, or dust, no problem. On top, you've got tactile control buttons for playback, volume, and lighting modes. On the back, the USB-C port, aux input, USB-A Powerbank output, and reset switch, all neatly sealed with rubber covers. Here's what makes the Soundstorm stand out from the crowd. 100 watts Beast Sound. 2 35-watt subwoofers and 2 15-watt tweeters deliver balanced highs and lows. DSP Technology. Digital signal processing ensures clarity even at high volume. TWS mode. Pair 2 units for 200 watts stereo surround sound. LED party lights. 7 color-changing lights that pulse to your music. Bluetooth 5.3. Stable connection with up to 150 feet range. Built-in power bank. Charge your phone or gadgets directly. 30 hours playtime. Enough for a full weekend of non-stop music. Let's test how this 100 watts beast really sounds.
Bluetooth connected.
The bass hits hard. Those dual radiators bring that deep, thumpy feel without distortion. Vocals sound clean, and the treble stays crisp even at max volume. And look at those lights. They move perfectly with the beat. Definitely adds that party atmosphere. I tested the battery at about 60% volume and it lasted nearly 30 hours. That's impressive for a 100-watt speaker. Plus, the Powerbank feature works great. I charged my phone from 20% to full while still playing music. Pros and cons. Here's my quick take after using it for a few days. Pros: loud, distortion-free sound, deep bass and clear highs, 30-hour battery life, IPX6 waterproof build, built-in power bank, TWS stereo pairing, and LED light sync mode. Cons: a bit bulky for travel bags, no app for LED customization, and no microphone for hands-free calls. Is it worth it? So final thoughts, the LFS Soundstorm offers incredible value. You're getting 100 watts of clean, powerful audio, premium build quality, and features that rival much pricier speakers. If you want a rugged, loud, and fun Bluetooth speaker for parties, camping, or beach trips, this is a fantastic choice. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech videos every week. I'll leave the buying link in the description below if you want to check it out. Let me know in the comments, what's your go-to Bluetooth speaker right now? Until next time, keep the music loud and the vibes high.